The first thing we're going to look at is a homozygous cross, and we are going to be crossing a brown-eyed individual with a blue-eyed individual. So if we say that the brown-eyed is dominant, that means that we have two capital B's because they are dominant. So the blue eyes will be recessive, and that means we will have a lowercase b with a lowercase b symbolized this way. Now we are getting ready to do the cross, and that means that the first individual will receive a capital B from this parent, and it will receive a small b from this parent. The second offspring, this one here, will receive a dominant brown from this parent and a recessive blue from this parent. This third offspring will receive a dominant B from this parent, and it will receive a recessive blue from this parent. The fourth and final offspring will also receive a dominant brown from this parent, and it will also receive a recessive blue from this parent. If we are analyzing this now, this first generation, we can say that we will receive 4 individuals that are B, 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 and the genotype, this is 100% genotype. Phenotype is going to be brown, 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 and brown. So we have 100%